Yo, what is up guys, Tomzon here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to get 5 modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online. And this here is part 6 to this series, so if you guys do want a part 7, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like down below. If we hit 150 likes on today's video, I'll go ahead and post another top 5 modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online. And with all that out of the way, let's get into the video. And also, can you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below? I'm very close to hitting 40,000 subscribers, so if you guys could go ahead and do me that favor, I'd greatly appreciate it. And let's get into the video. Now, if you don't know how to change your crew color in GTA 5 Online, come over to your Rockstar Social Club account. Once you're here, come over to your My Crews. Once you're here, all you want to do is go ahead and pick whichever one is your main crew currently. So for me, it's going to be this one right here. Once you have picked your main crew, all you want to do is come over to these 3 dots, add a crew. And then once you're here, come over to this where it says crew color, click on the color, and I should be able to change your crew color. Okay, and then right here where you see this box right here, this is where you guys go ahead and type in the hex code, which I'm be showing you guys in today's video. So if you guys do like any one of these mods, 5 modded crew colors, go ahead and type in the hex code into that bar and then do save this crew, and you should now have the modded crew color. So the first modded crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys is going to be a Flamingo Pink. So come over to your primary colors, then crew, and then you should have it on right here. But guys, make sure you guys go ahead and copy the hex code into your Rockstar Social Club account, and you guys should get it. So as you guys can see, this thing looks clean, and when I take it outside, this thing is bright in the sunlight. So I'll be go ahead and take it out in a few. But also, if you guys do want to make this thing look way more better, you guys can go ahead and add a chrome effect to it by placing the chrome color first and then go ahead and put on the crew. Or you guys can go ahead and add in pearlescent, which I did. I added in the the ice white as a pearlescent, and as you guys can see, this thing looks bright and clean. All right, so if you guys go ahead and take this to a car show or whatever, a car meet, everyone's gonna be looking at this car like this. Look how bright this thing looks and how nice it looks. All right, so I'll be showcasing for you guys a bit in the sunlight, because also all these modded crew colors right here change during like daytime and nighttime. So right now it's gonna be looking really bright. I don't know how it looks like in nighttime because I still haven't used this modded crew color in nighttime. So yeah, so as you guys can see, this thing is nice. Best color so far. I rank this one on out of these 5 in today's video. I rank it number 1. So on to the next modded crew color. Now the next modded crew color I'll be showing you guys in today's video is going to be this one right here. It's going to be a light salmon looking color. So as you guys can see, this thing looks clean. It's also like an orange, but mostly it looks like a light salmon modded crew color. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Also, if you guys do want the chrome effects as well as said previously, go ahead and put on the chrome first, and then once you put the chrome, go ahead and put on the crew color again, and you should get the chrome effects. Or you guys can just go ahead and put on a pearlescent color. So for me, I want to go ahead and go with the ice white. The ice white always makes the modded crew color look more shinier and bright. So yeah, this is how it looks like right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside and show you guys on how it looks like in the sunlight, because all these modded crew colors here do change during night and night and daytime. All right, so yeah, as you guys can see, this thing looks pretty clean in the sunlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it over here. So this is how it looks like in the shade. So yeah, this thing looks bright, and if you take this here to a modded crew color showcase or a car meet or whatever, everyone's gonna be looking at this modded crew color, same as the pink one I showed you guys earlier. All of these modded crew colors I'm be showing in this video are all gonna stand out in a car meet. So yeah, on to the next modded crew color. So the next modded crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys is going to be this one right here. So it's an aqua color. So all you want to do is, if you want this modded crew color, go ahead and copy the hex code up on the screen right now. Go ahead and copy into your Rockstar Social Club account. If you guys don't know how, I showed you guys at the start of the video. If you haven't seen it, and just skips through the colors. So yeah, if you guys want it, go ahead and copy the hex code, and you should be able to get it. So I'm going to go ahead and take it outside now and show you guys on how it looks like in the sunlight. So the sun is almost gonna go out, so I'm gonna go ahead and record this as soon as possible before it's nighttime, because nighttime these modded colors don't look the best. They still look the best, but it doesn't look like, it doesn't compare to as it like in the sunlight. When it's in the sunlight, it's bright and shiny. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. So this is the closest I could get to like some sunlight hitting on the car. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on how it looks like. All right, so it's not as bright as the pink and this light salmon, just because it's not in the sun as I said previously. So yeah, right now I rank this one right here top 3 out of all these crew colors. The second one I'm be showing you guys later on, so make sure you guys go ahead and stick to the end. And yeah, on to the next one. Now the next model crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys is going to be a frosted mint color right here. So this is how it looks like right here. It kind of looks like the aqua blue I just showcased previously, mixed in with like a light green kind of. But yeah, this is how it looks like right here. This thing is probably one of the most shiniest one. This is like the second shiniest model crew color out of the 5, right? Pink one's gonna be the first one, and then the second one's gonna be this one right here. So we're already in Los Santos Customs, and the thing's already bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside for you guys and show you guys on how it looks like in the sunlight. So this is how it kind of looks like in the shade, but let me just take it into the sunlight, because sunlight, these model colors always look the best, right? So let me just hit a few drifts. All right, so here it is. So as you guys can see, this thing's bright, especially with the ice white. And if you guys do add the chrome effect to any of these model crew colors, there's gonna be shiny and bright. All right, so this is how it looks like right here. And on to the next and final model crew color. And also, this is my second favorite one out of all these colors right here. So yeah, on to the next one. So the last and final model crew color I'll be showcasing for you guys is going to be this one right here. It's a lavender model crew color, and this one here just stands out of all of them. I rank this one second place out of all my favorite model crew colors, with first place is going to be the Flamingo Pink. Now if you guys do want to make this look better, you guys can go ahead and add in a gasoline green or whichever pearlescent you guys like of your choice, but for me, I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the ice white, just because the ice white makes it stand out more and makes it more brighter and shinier in the sunlight and like everything. So this is how it looks like right here. And if you guys do want to add a chrome effect, just go ahead and put on the chrome first and then go ahead and put on the crew color second. All right, so this is how it looks like in the shade. So let me just go ahead and take it to the sunlight so you can see like the full glory of it. All right, so here we go. So yeah, as you can see, this thing's already standing out of all of the model crew colors I showed previously. And if you do take this one to any showcase or car meet, everybody's gonna be, did this man just crash into my car? While, bro, let me deal with this man real quick. There you go, he's out of the picture now. But as you guys can see, if you take this to a car meet, everybody's gonna be looking at this car, because I've never seen anybody with this one right here, and probably one of the best ones out of all of them. Let me just kill this man real quick. There you go. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. It's free and you guys can always change your mind. I'm also very close to hitting 40,000 subscribers. So if you guys could do me that favor and hit that subscribe button down below, I'd greatly appreciate it. And also, if you guys do want a part 7 to these model crew colors in GTA 5 Online, can we hit 150 likes and I'll go ahead and put a part 7 to top 5 model crew colors in GTA 5 Online. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, and yeah guys, Tom's on, sign out, peace.